If you fly these FPV drones long enough, it's not a matter of if you're going to crash, it's when are you going to crash and how bad is your crash going to be. Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring these propeller guards for the DJI Avata 2. For transparency, I purchased everything you'll see in this video with my own money. None of this was sent to me, and this is not a sponsored video. So many years ago, I used to fly 5-inch freestyle drones and took about a 5-6 year hiatus. I came back into this hobby with the Avata 2 and started off with the motion controller. That got boring pretty quickly, so I ended up purchasing the remote controller 3 so that I go into full manual mode. Now, they call these here propeller guards. In my opinion, I think these are more duck guards. And so basically, with these ducted drones, if you bend these ducts in a collision and you impede your propeller's ability to move, you're out of commission, right? And so with these here propeller guards, they go on and off really quickly. They're lightweight. They almost add no weight to your drone. And basically they act as kind of shock absorbers. And so as you can see, they got these little cutouts here, and those really will take some of the energy out of an impact if you were to hit something, so that you're not sending energy directly into the frame of your drone. So, these here, again, they call them propeller guards. In my opinion, I think they're better classified as duck guards, and they do help with reducing energy from a crash should you find yourself hitting something. So if you guys are looking for a way to protect the frame of your DJI Avata 2, I highly recommend these duck guards here. I hope this helps.